Welcome to Wagner Academy, Grade 7 Math. This is question 14. It says Jason bought a jacket on sale for 50% off the original price and another 25% off the discounted price. If the jacket originally cost $88, what was the final sale price that Jason paid for the jacket? So let's take this in two steps. I don't want to just assume that 50 plus 25, 75% off, because it's going to be 50% off the original price, and then take that new price and take 25% off of that discounted price. And so buying a jacket for 50% off the original price, the original cost looks like is $88. So I need to take 88, and if I'm taking 50% off, that's the same as taking that times 0.50. So the amount off and the amount it costs in this case, being 50%, is going to be the same. So I'm going to have 88 times 0.50. I feel like you could do this, but I feel like it's really a lot of extra work. Just think, what's half of 88? That's what we can think of here. So half of 88, I'm going to scribble this out. You could do that if you wanted to, but save yourself some time and just think of 88 times 1/2. That's the same as 50%. That's going to be $44. So from there, it's another 25% off that discounted price. So this is the discounted price. So now we're going to take 44 times, and we could either multiply it by the discounted amount and then subtract that from 44, or we could figure out what the amount you have to pay is. So I'm going to go with the discounted amount. I'm going to find that. I know 25%. I could do this once again. 44 times 0.25. I could do that. But since I know 0.25 is the same as 1/4, I could also think of it like this. This I could make a fraction. Could write over 1. You're going to have 44 times 1 on the top. That's 44. Over 1 times 4 on the bottom. That's 4. So this would be $11 off, and then so if we take 44 minus 11, that would give me my new final discounted price, final sale price of $33. So what I was talking about before, though, if I would have done, instead of this, I could have done 44 times, I'm going to write that over 1 quick, 44 times 3/4. So if it's 25% off the discounted price, the new price would be 3/4 of the original price here that I started with, or the discounted price that I started with. So I could do this as well. I could get, this would be, what would that be? That would be 132 over 4, and if you would divide 132 by 4, I'm leaving out the long division here. You can check that yourself if you want to, but you would get $33 as an alternate method to solve this problem. You could also do that here. You could do the long division, or not the long division, the long multiplication way. You would have gotten the same number here as $11 off, and then do 44 minus 11 to get the same final answer of 33, excuse me. So final answer, any way you go about it, is going to be choice B, $33.